Привет! Как дела? We already know how to say hello to each other, how to ask how are you, and how to respond this question. And today we are going to learn some more important words that are necessary for every dialogue. How do you think? Which words are this? Yes, you're right. These are goodbyes. Прощания. The most common word for goodbye in the Russian language is пока. Пока. And let's try faster. Пока. Пока.
Пока.
Пока.
This word means bye, and usually we don't use it in official conversation or really formal conversation. Usually we use it in informal conversation. And if you are talking to your boss, for example, and you want to say goodbye, it's better to use the next phrase. До свидания. До свидания. Pay attention that in the first word we pronounce letter O like A. До свидания. And let's try faster. До свидания. До свидания.
До свидания. До свидания.
This phrase means goodbye, and mostly we use it in official conversation. It is formal way to say goodbye to a person. The next two phrases mean see you soon or see you later. In Russian, they sound like до встречи. До встречи. I also would like to pay your attention that in the first word we pronounce letter O like A. And for easier pronunciation, try to pronounce letter F instead of letter V. So let's try again. До встречи. До встречи. And faster. До встречи. До встречи.
До встречи. До встречи.
And the next one that is also means see you later or see you soon sounds like this. Увидимся. 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 And let's try faster. Увидимся. Увидимся.
Увидимся.
До свидания.
Two more phrases for saying goodbye sounds like this. Всего доброго. Всего доброго. For easier pronunciation, try to pronounce the first letter like F, not like V. Let's try again. Всего доброго. And let's try faster. Всего доброго. Всего доброго. Всего доброго.
Всего доброго, господа!
This phrase means wish you all the best. And the next ones means the same thing. Wish you all the best. Let's try. Всего хорошего. Всего хорошего. The same is here. Try to pronounce the first letter not like V, but like F. F. Let's try. Всего хорошего. Всего хорошего.
До свидания. Всего хорошего.
Okay, so these are the basic goodbyes. Tell me please which word or which phrase do you like the most? And tell me please how do you say goodbye in the Russian language? So thank you for watching this video. I hope you really like it. Don't forget to like it and subscribe our channel. And also don't forget to follow our page on Instagram. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day or evening. And пока! Пока-пока!